Hi everyone. In our previous session, we have learned how errors occurs while moving update sets to instance. So, as an extension for last session, we'll see what type of issues may occur while importing or exporting the update sets and how to resolve them. For example, assume this as a dev instance. So let's create an update set here. So let's create a new update set. Name it as demo update set and make it current update set. So let's take incident table as an example. So let's open incident form. Here we'll create a client script. Let's create a client script. Give it a name. I'm making it as demo client script and the type will be onload. So I just want to alert a message on loading the form of incident. So just naming it as test one. So, okay. So let's submit this and check how it is working. So let's open the incident form and check. When the incident form is loaded, you'll get an alert message stating test one as we have configured the client script that. So now let's complete that update set and move it to the production environment, the demo production environment. So just open the update set and state changes to complete. Just save it and go to the production environment. This is a demo production environment, an example. So you can go to update sources to retrieve that update set, which is from dev. So just open the remote instance here and just click retrieve completed update sets. Okay. So now the update set is imported and previewed as well. So whenever you import update sets using remote instance, it will be previewed automatically. Then here you can just commit the update set so that the particular client script will be applied on the target table, which is incident table. Okay. So just go to incident table and check how it is reflecting. Just open a new incident form and check. See, here you can see test one. Okay. So now what will happen is, being a developer, it is a healthy practice to always develop any sort of changes or configurations in dev instance as then move it to test so that the testing will be go thoroughly. Then just move it to production environment. So it will be a healthy practice if such thing is followed. But sometimes what happens if any developer by mistake or intentionally made changes in the production environment itself. So let assume a developer is making changes in the production environment itself. So the demo client script, which we have imported from developer instance, go to that and just made some changes here. So already it is there, alert one. So I'm just making one more alert statement here, just like alert two. So let's save this. As you can see, the code is updated in the production environment directly. Now just go to the incident form and check how it is reflecting. So we need to get two alerts. One is test one and the other is test two. Okay, it is working fine. Now what happens is another employee working on another developer user working on that particular story. So let's create new update set. So the developer once move the new updates to that particular production environment, there is a chance to raise some errors. So let's check that. So go to the same client script in the developer instance, which we have created in the previous update set. So open that and make some changes to that. So as we have made two changes to that client script, it is test one and test two. We'll add test three in the developer instance. Okay. So let's add test two as well as test three. Okay. test 3. So just save it. And when you try to move this update set to the production environment, some errors may occur. So as it is already updated in the production environment, so just save it and go to the production here and just click retrieve complete update set, so that update set will be imported here. As you can see, there are two update sets. One is preview. So when you open this update set, you may find some errors here. See, here you can see, to commit this update set, you must address all related problems by fixing and previewing again. You must also just accept or skip the remote update that causes the problem. So this type of errors may occur when a change is made in the system to the production environment directly, and any developer making changes to that particular story and moving it from other instances such as dev or UAT. So these type of errors may occur. So what happens is, just compare with the local record here in the production environment. Once the errors has been occurred, just go to the available actions and compare it with the local record. Okay, so just click compare with the local, then a dialog will be appear. As you can see here, this screen, wherever the errors has been occurred, wherever the changes has been occurred to the particular record, that will be highlighted like this. So just click on that, open it and check. See, here you can see the code in the production environment currently is this alert test 1 and alert test 2, but that is imported from the new update is test 1, test 2, test 3. Okay, so if you want to keep it as it is in the production, which is working correct, if you believe that the production environment has the correct script, so just keep it and skip the remote update. Otherwise, there has to be some update, so which is coming from the other instances such as dev or UAT. So you can accept the remote update. If some code is missing in the developer environment and that is present in the production environment, you can just copy the production code and make it changes in the developer instance, the developer client script. There you can paste that production code and you can move it for other forwards. Okay, so you can skip or accept the remote update. If you accept the remote update, the newer version which is coming from developer instance will be accepted here. Then you can commit the update set, and once it is committed, the newer version will be applied here, which is imported from the developer instance. And you can see here in the production environment, the code was only two test alerts, like test 1 and test 2. Now you can see there will be 3 test alerts here. Once form is loaded, you can see test 1, test 2, and test 3 as well. So this way, production updates that errors may occur, and you can resolve based on your story or based on use case or based on the real time work you have been working on as a developer. Okay, so in our upcoming videos we may learn on more scenarios on update sets, so keep watching. Thank you.